I do have to find the slopes of the other two sides because they have to prove that they're not parallel. So S to T is 2 minus 4 over 4 minus 2. So I get negative 2 over 2, or negative 1. Now I'm going to do R to O. So I'm going to go 3 minus 0 over 0 minus 0. I get 0. Excuse me, I have a 0 on the bottom, so I don't get 0. I get undefined. I get 3 over 0, which is undefined. So they are not parallel to each other. And we know the only four-sided figure we have that has only one set of parallel sides is a trapezoid. Therefore, we can say it's a trapezoid. Okay, turn it over. We're going to do mid-segment. We're going to find the mid-segment. What's the definition of mid-segment again? I'm going to write it down. For a trapezoid.
Segment that connects the midpoints of its sides.
Good. What is the formula to find it if we have the basis? B1 plus B2 over 2. So 12 plus 28 divided by 2. So we get 40 over 2. So the mid-segment is 20 inches. Okay. All right. So what if I was given a trapezoid, because I know this is going to come up in your homework, where I was given like that the mid-segment was 10, this is x, and this is 20. What would I do?
You would have 20 plus x divided by
20 plus x divided by 2 equals 10, right? Because I would say base 1 equals x, base 2 equals 20, and then my mid-segment equals 10. And we know the formula is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 equals that mid-segment. If you have 2 out of the 3, if you have one base, a mid-segment, you can find the other base. If you're given 2 bases, you can find a mid-segment. Always. You would multiply both sides by 2. So 20 plus x equals 20. Yes, x would equal 0. That was not a well thought out formula. Okay. Kites. If I'm given these two angles are 124 and 80, what do I know about angle D and F? They are congruent. They are both x. So how am I going to figure out what x is? It's 4 sides, so I know what about it? It equals 360. 124 plus 80 plus x equals 360. Okay? And 4, 10, okay, plus 2x equals 360. 124 plus 80 is 204. X plus x is 2x, so I have combined like terms. I'm going to subtract 204 from both sides. It's what? 2x equals
156.
Oh, why am I doing that? 164, right?
No, 150.
No, Miss Murphy can't subtract today. It's really sad when the teacher can't subtract. 360 minus 204. So we borrow and we get a 5. 10 minus 4 is 6, right? Yes? Yes, you guys are correct. Divide that by 2. X equals 78. So angle D, because that's what it asks, angle D equals 78. Make sure you put degrees. Okay. Your homework is going to be more difficult than this. They're going to have things to try to throw you off. So why don't we pull out our homework and make sure we understand what each question is asking together.